Very good morning, my dear students. Are you fine? Yes, of course, you must be fine. Students, today in this session, I am going to start the chapter 15, and that is gerund and infinitives. Okay? Are you ready with your pencil for underlining and with your book in which you will underline? Yes, I'm starting on the page number 111. Okay, gerund. It is read as gerund. The gerund is a the gerund is a verb ending in ing which performs the role of a noun in a sentence. Generally, you know that we say I am playing, you are reading, she is going, they are coming, means coming, reading. You say that is verb. Of course, they are verb. But when they are used without any helping verb, they are known as gerund. And when they use as gerund by adding ing in the first form of the verb, then they don't work as a verb, but they become a noun. What they become? A noun. Okay, let us read the examples. My mother likes baking cakes. मेरी माँ केक बनाना लाइक करती हैं. यहाँ पे देखिए बेकिंग आईएनजी है, बट इसका मीनिंग ये नहीं है कि मेरी माँ केक बेक कर रही है. ऐसा नहीं है. माई मदर लाइक्स केक्स. लाइक करती हैं क्या? केक बेकिंग करना. तो ये क्या हो गया बच्चों? जेरेंड हो गया. आईएनजी है बट ये वर्ब नहीं है, ये आपका नाउन है. सो इट इज कॉल्ड अ जेरेंड. सीइंग इज बिलीविंग. हम जो देखते हैं उस पर हम भरोसा करते हैं. तो सीइंग देखना, भरोसा करना होता है. तो भरोसा करना, बिलीविंग, अगेन एडवर्ब. वॉकिंग इज अ गुड एक्सरसाइज. टहलना. टहलना यानी कि आई एम वॉकिंग, मैं टहल रहा हूँ. व्हेन आई से आई एम वॉकिंग, देन वॉकिंग इज वर्ब. बट व्हेन आई से वॉकिंग इज गुड, टहलना अच्छा है, तो वॉकिंग इज अ जेरेंड. वॉकिंग इज अ गुड एक्सरसाइज. वॉकिंग टहलना अच्छी एक्सरसाइज है. वॉकिंग. आई हेट वेटिंग. व्हेन आई से आई एम वेटिंग, मैं वेट कर रही हूँ, तो वेटिंग इज वर्ब. बट व्हेन आई से आई हेट वेटिंग, मुझे वेट करना, मुझे इंतज़ार करना हेट करती हूँ. मैं इंतज़ार करने को पसंद नहीं करती, है ना. तो वेटिंग ये वर्ब नहीं है. दिस इज जेरेंड बिकॉज देर इज दिस वर्ड इज यूज्ड एज अ नाउन. मुझे इंतज़ार करने से हेट है. Okay. Whatever I have underlined, you will write here in your copy. Remember, your copy work should be done. Okay. We notice that the italicized words in each sentence are formed from the verb. From which? From the verb by adding ing. For example, bake ing baking, believe ing believing, walk ing walking, wait ing waiting. And you know, when there is e in the end of any verb and we add ing, then we remove e. Okay, that's why baking, baking. Believe also e has been removed. So these gerunds work as a noun. They are used as noun. Sometimes they are used as subject. Look in this sentence here. Here gerund used as a subject. Sometimes object. Okay. I hate waiting. Here gerund used as an object and complement of a verb. For example, my mother likes baking cakes. Baking, complement of a verb. Okay, students? Now I am doing exercise. She is fond of riding. Underline the gerund. She is fond of riding. Swimming is a good exercise. swimming. Painting is a good hobby. Painting. She was annoyed at breaking. Breaking. Singing gives joy. Of course. Singing हमें खुशी देता है. Singing. Sezel loves dancing. सेजल को क्या पसंद है? सेजल को डांस करना, नृत्य करना पसंद है. तो डांसिंग. The boys like playing, but the boys like playing. Boys खेलना like करते हैं, पसंद करते हैं. So these words which are used by adding ing in them, they are gerund. Okay, you do this exercise in your copy also. Okay, students. Now next page. I am going for shopping. Shopping. Okay. Snoring is a disease. But snoring means, kharrate lena. Okay. So, snoring is a disease. Talking in the class should not be allowed. But आप तो हमेशा बातें करते. अब तो आप बात करने के लिए परेशान हो रहे होंगे. किससे बात करें? Okay. But I am enjoying only. I am joking. Talking in the class, talking. Okay. These are all gerunds. Now we come to the infinitive. What are infinitives? The infinitive is not limited by number or person. It simply names the action denoted by the verb. It is not a verb but function as a verb. Each infinitive is a unit of 2 plus verb. Means gerund, when we add ing, it becomes, when we add ing in verb, it becomes gerund. But when we add to, before the first form of the verb, then it becomes infinitive. For example, I like to teach, to teach. You like to play, to play. Your mother likes to cook, to cook. Your father likes to work, to work. We love to do favorite work, to do. So, in this all sentence which I have just spoken, we said to love, to teach, to play, to like, to dance. These all are, what are all these? These all are infinitive. Simply, we put to before first form of the verb and it becomes infinitive. Okay? Now I am reading examples. The boys want to play. Look here, to play volleyball, to play. The boy wants to play, to play. It doesn't matter the subject is plural or singular, doesn't matter. We use infinitive equally, okay, in any sentence. She wanted to play tennis, singular she. They wanted to play tennis, here they is plural. But it doesn't matter that the subject is singular or plural. We put the same infinitive word in all these sentences. Okay. Now, use of infinitive. The infinitives may be used as the subject. For example, I just said you walking. है ना? Walking is good. So, walking is used as a subject. So, the subject of a verb, to speak. To speak in public is a tough exercise. So, to speak, it is used as a subject. So, it is no matter where it is used, but it is written to. To लिखा है. It means it is infinitive. The object of a transitive verb. He learns to drive. Now, to drive, ये आपका object हो गया. Doesn't matter. कहीं पर भी आएगा. But अगर ये to before verb के पहले to है, तो वो infinitive हो जाता है. The complement of a verb. His ambition is to become. है ना? To become a scientist. To become उसका यानी कि जो उसके ambition वो क्या है? Scientist होना. तो ये to become again it is complement of verb. Now there are some more sentences which you will write only up to here in your copy. Okay? And from here you will read only. Read only. Okay? The district administration want the public to stay. To stay, infinitive. We waited for the cab to arrive, infinitive. It is foolish to wait, infinitive. To wait here is foolish. देखिए बच्चों, it is foolish to wait here. To wait, infinitive. But when I written to wait in the beginning, to wait here is foolish. We removed it. Then again, it is infinitive. It is also infinitive. But the sentence structure is little bit changed. Next, it is wrong of them to make such allegations to make. It is impossible for us to reach the spot in half an hour. To, uh, to reach. So it is also infinitive. Now the page number 113. You will do this exercise in your copy also. Complete the sentence following by adding suitable in infinitives. They took loan to build or to buy a house. You can use any word of your choice. The film was dreadful. बच्चों dreadful means बहुत ही horrible. Okay. The film was dreadful to watch at night. I trained Rohan to drive a car before the age of 18. I decided to buy a new car. You can write it to purchase, to buy, to. Okay, this is enough. It was foolish of them to refuse the offer. It is dangerous for children to play with crackers. It is a pleasure to attend this gathering. Now, fault is easy. गलतियां आसान है. क्या गलतियां? गलतियां निकालना आसान है, गलतियां ढूंढना आसान है. टू सी फॉल्ट इज इजी और टू फाइंड फॉल्ट इज इजी. I persuaded my father to arrange a small party for my friends. She began to sweep the floor. Okay, this exercise you will do in your copy. Now comes bare infinitives. Children, what are bare infinitives? बच्चों bare infinitive means होता है कि you will not use to in them. Okay, you will not use to before verb, but they will be known as infinitive. But before them, you will not use to. Now, in which word we will not use to? Look, the word to is usually the sign of infinitive. I just said to का मतलब है कि वो infinitive है. But there are some verbs, कुछ verb होते हैं. You will learn them. Bid, make, let, see, hear, dare, and help. How many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 verbs. Okay, which take the infinitive after them without to. अगर ये words use हो गए हैं और इनके बाद आपको to नहीं लगाना है. Okay. So these are called bare infinitive. For example, I made John wait. To wait नहीं है. I made John wait because made is bare infinitive. She helped them complete. To complete नहीं है क्योंकि helped है. They let her come. Let, देखिए let ये लिखा let. To come no wrong. Let के बाद में infinitive नहीं लगाते. I saw her. Saw तो यहाँ पे infinitive नहीं है. To run नहीं है. We heard the cuckoo sing. To sing नहीं है क्योंकि यहाँ पे heard है. We need not to we need not go today. Need. Okay. तो आफ्टर दीज वर्ड्स बच्चों यहाँ पे नीड नहीं लिखा है ना, तो यहाँ पे नीड भी होना चाहिए. ठीक है. बिड, मेक, लेट, सी, हियर, डेयर, हेल्प, नीड. आफ्टर दीज टू इज नॉट यूज. वी नीड नॉट गो टुडे. नाउ एक्सरसाइज. अब fill the blanks with infinitive form of the verb in the bracket without, with or without to. यानी कि कुछ आपको लगेगा कि you will use to, but in these words bid, make, let, see, hear, dare, help, and need, after those verb you will not use to. I saw him to take. No, no, no. I saw him take. Saw is bare infinitive. My teacher taught me how to value. How to value. Okay, to, because taught is not a bare infinitive. My teacher declined to accept my apologize. Okay, next page. We watched them to play football. The picture is beautiful to look at. They make us, बच्चों make is bare infinitive. They make us practice every day. He ran to avoid being caught. They decided to keep away from the disturbed area. I heard, बच्चों heard is bare infinitive. I heard the baby cry in the morning. We saw him, saw again infinitive. Which infinitive? Bare infinitive. We saw him jump into the river. Okay, this you will do in your copy. Okay, and the last exercise I am going to do now. Rewrite the sentence using the introductory word it. Look, to try again is a futile exercise. Now, it से आपको start करना है. You have to start with the word it. So, before helping verb, you will start writing it is a futile exercise. It is a futile exercise. Now, continue it to try again. It is a futile exercise to try again. Okay. To refuse the gift was a stupid decision. So it was a it we will use here. It was a stupid decision. Now again from here to refuse the gift. Now the next stage. Now next. Okay, I have done all exercises. You will see in the PDF and you will do in your only book. But remember, your work should be neat and clean. Okay, 5 sentences you will do in your copy also. Among these, any 5 sentence, any means 6, 7, 5, 2, 2, 5, 6, 7 and 10. 5 sentences you will do in your copy also. Understand? And your work should be completed. Now, in your grammar book, I think 1 or 2 chapters are remaining. 1 chapter is remaining. Okay? Take care and goodbye. And to complete every work in copy and book.